Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, today we are shooting outside. I think it's better to shoot outside because the lightning is better and everything, and I have a good background here, so why not? So today's video, I'll be showing us how I shoot my video and how you can shoot your own video with low budgets. Yeah, so how you can shoot your video on a low budget. That you don't have to have the biggest thing. You don't have to start with a big video camera before you start. This video is to encourage you to start whatever it is you want to start, whatever it is you've been procrastinating. I think it's time to start it now, no matter what you have. I hope this video is going to inspire you to start with whatever it is that you have. So let's go into the video. We all know Google, right? So Google is the number one search engine in the world. And if you go back to the history of Google, we know that the founders, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, started Google from their backyard. I mean, their garage, sorry. And when they started, they don't have all the funding. They had just an idea. And they acted on that idea and were able to make what it is we call Google today. Okay, so quick correction. Google wasn't founded in a garage. It was actually founded in Menlo Park, California, in the United States. But then their first headquarter was in a garage. So the moral of this story is start small. No matter what you have, you can start with it. You don't have to have the biggest tools before you start small. You can start small and then grow up and grow and grow and keep growing till you get to the level that you want to be. So, how to shoot a video on a low budget? A video needs four basic things, four very, very basic important things. Number one is the camera. Number two, it needs a good audio to match the video. Number three, it needs good lighting. Light helps your video to come out well. And number four, it needs a good background. So number one, camera. I know these days most of us want to start with the DSLR camera at least, or maybe a video camera, the big one that people use. But if you don't have to have these things to start. Actually, someone like me, I use a Nikon Coolpix to record my video, and this camera is not the best camera. I'm going to tell you because the quality is not HD. You know, we have different types of quality. We have the 120 pixel quality, we have the 240, we have 360, we have 480, we have 720, and we have 1080, and then we have 4K. So I'm shooting on the 720p camera. It's just a small point and shoot camera, and that is what I can afford for now. Doesn't mean I'm not going to buy my DSLR camera soon. Or who knows, maybe someone might give it to me. Maybe it might be you. Might give me a DSLR camera, who knows. So I remember my second video on this channel, I used a DSLR camera. If you check that video, you see that it is very clear. So I used the 1080 pixel camera to shoot the video. I mean, it was shot in the 1080 pixel. I used a DSLR camera. Yes, I think I used a Nikon. I can't actually remember the name of the camera this system. But I used if you check the video is actually clear compared to my other video that I've posted on this channel. Compared to this video itself, this video, if you look at it, it is blurry to some extent. The colors are not coming out well, and that's because I'm using a 720 pixel camera. The thing is, I have to use what I have now. Right now, I have a 720 pixel camera, and that is what I'm using to shoot my videos. Hopefully, I'm going to get myself a good camera. I believe that very soon. Okay, I think sun is here right now, so I have to change the background. Okay, I'm going to tell you about your audio in your video. Your video can be very good and then you have a very bad audio. It happens. And things that can cause bad audio is things like background noise. In fact, the majority of things that causes bad audio is background noise. And number two, I think, is not really recording your audio well, so can cause it. So when you're shooting a video, you can use an external microphone. I'll leave a link in the description to a cheap external microphone that you can get to use when you are recording your video. That microphone, you can connect it to your Android phone, or you can find a connector and connect it to your iPhone or wherever you're using to shoot your video. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to get a very cheap one. I think it's not up to 2,000 naira, so it's actually cheap. And the aim of this video is to shoot in low budget. So when you use that kind of microphone, it is very close to your mouth, and it captures all the audio that you need to capture for your video. But as you can see, I'm not using an external microphone. What I do is I shoot with my camera as I'm doing right now. And as I am shooting this video on my camera, I am also recording my voice on my Android phone. Okay, so what I do on my phone is that I go to my sound recorder and I click on my sound recorder and then I click on record. Although I can't record now because I'm using my phone currently to record what I'm doing, so I can't actually record myself right now because I'm doing a screen recording on my phone. So I hit this. When I'm done, I stop it. Then I press save. If I show you my recording list, you can see I have how to shoot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things that I've done for my video in my video part. So these are some of the things that I've recorded. And then what I do is I take it to my editor and I merge it together. Let me show you my phone. I'm going to show you. Look at it. I don't know if it's clear. You can see I am currently recording myself just as I'm recording my audio. Just as I'm recording my video. So this is another easy way you can do it. Although it's actually very, very easy. It is like a shortcut to getting good audio. Because you can't shoot a video and then you have noise at the background. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and the video is actually clear. But when you listen, you strain your ears and then you loud your phone or whatever I'm using to listen to the video. I loud put in my highest volume and still I'm not hearing well. Some I hear noise. If you want to shoot your audio, you can find somewhere very quiet. Like currently I'm in my room and there's not a lot of noise. In fact, there's no noise at all. And I can shoot this video well. I don't have anybody disturbing me, so I can shoot a video. So I mostly shoot videos when people are not around. At least I know that there's nobody that's going to open my door or try to come in, or someone downstairs or upstairs trying to open the door. No noise. This helps your video come out well. And when your video comes out well, you yourself you'll be happy with what you are bringing out. So that is that about an audio. You can use your phone to record your voice while recording from your camera, or and get yourself an external microphone just for the video to come out good. Number three thing I mentioned, lightning. Lightning is very, very, very important. I think a lot of people don't know this. And video, when I started shooting videos, I did not really understand the concept of lightning. But now I do. If you want to shoot a video, I need lightning. The best, or let me say the easiest way to do it is to get a ring light. That's what people get these days, ring lights. Don't, no matter where you are, just have a ring light, put it in your front, your camera by put your camera there and then shoot your video. Awesome video because good lightning. The most cheaper way to do this is to shoot opposite a natural light or shoot outside. Like just shoot outside. If you have a good place to shoot outside and there's no noise outside your house or outside where you stay, you can shoot outside. Outside, you don't need the ring lights. You already have the brightness of the day. The day is enough. There's no shadow anywhere. Everything is merging at once. The lighting outside is fantastic. Or you can shoot opposite a natural light. Someone like me, I am shooting opposite my window. So my window is at that side. I am here and I am shooting the video. So I have a good lighting if you ask me. And in my first background, you see that I shot outside. That was a good lighting. So I'm using natural lighting in all my videos because as it is now, I also do not have a ring light yet. You might necessarily not need all these things yet when you can manage what you have. Like you don't have to have a ring light before you shoot a video. It's not compulsory. It is only because people want to shoot inside their houses, close all their curtains, dim all their lights, then they on their ring lights. Then they have a very, very good lighting. That also helps. That's the only reason I feel people are using ring lights, or maybe because they just want a video to come out really, really well. But besides that, shooting in a natural light is like the best way to shoot your video. You have a very, very good lightning. So that's about lightning. The last part is your background. When shooting a video, you need a very good background also. You can shoot in front of a wall, find a wall somewhere. Like if you see in this video, I was looking for a good place to shoot my first scene, and then you see that I went to shoot in a good place. If you look at it, they are like the background is actually nice. It's just a wall, a painted wall. So you can see that I shot I shot at my first scene there. Although now I'm in my room and look at my background too, it's not bad. It's not bad. So you have to find a good place to shoot. The background is not necessarily a big deal like that because you can just shoot in front of a wall, as I said, or front of. In fact, most people shoot in front of their walls. Sit down on their couch. If you look at the back of your couch, you have a wall there. Or if you are feeling like you want to change scenes a lot of times, you can shoot using a green screen. What do I mean by shooting with a green screen? What I mean is that at your back, you have a green background, a green thing, maybe a green clothes or green paper. Then you shoot yourself there. And when you get to your video editor, you can use the background and put yourself anywhere in the world. You can put yourself in America, you can put yourself in Germany. I'm going to show you an example where I used a green screen in my video. You need a very, very specific type of green. You can't use a very dark green. You need a very light green. Yes, a very light green. I'll show you the color that you need. You need a very light green that you can use to shoot your video. And when you shot a video there, you can see that you can use you can put yourself in anywhere in the world. The background is actually very important also, although it's not one of the big deals, but it's probably important. So summary of what I've said so far, you need a good camera to record yourself. I said if you don't have a DSLR, you can settle for a point and shoot camera or a camcorder, and there's a link in my description where you can get something like that cheap. Also, by your audio, you can use an external microphone. I have a link in my description for that also. And if you can't get an external microphone, you can use your own phone to record yourself while shooting the video. Number three, I talked about lightning, about how you can shoot using a ring light, or better still, shoot outside where the light is natural, or shoot opposite a natural light. Like example, shooting opposite your window or your door. And the last thing I talked about is the background. You can shoot using a green screen if you can afford the green screen, or you can shoot in the front of a wall. Like everybody shoots in the front of most people shoot in front of walls, especially when you are doing videos like this. So I hope I've been able to help you. Thank you for coming this far in this video, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like button. If this video actually inspired you or helped you to want to start something, please let me see it. I want to see more people start what they want to start. Thank you for coming this far. I love you. See you later.